Hello, should I use alerts on my charting platform? The answer is no, I don't. But I use Thinkorswim platform and they do have alerts. I just don't use it. But if you use it and you find it useful for you, I think it's a good idea to just continue using it. What I like to do is just do my chart analysis and select stocks that I like to purchase, and during my lunch hours I will just review those stocks to see if they are still the way I want to buy it, and the one that are still the way I want them, I will just place the order to buy. Sometimes it goes through, sometimes it doesn't. So that is pretty much what I do. And if there is a stocks that I like to sell, that I purchased already and I like to sell, again I just do the same thing. I flag them by make them red and then analyze them to see, yes, if I want to sell it, and place the order to sell it. It might go through, sometimes it may not, and I will just do the second day again. That's just my swing trading strategy. I just try to make it as simple as possible for me to do it without over complicating it and without having to learn a lot of things, a lot of tools that comes with the trading platform that I use. I just use it to do my chart analysis and mark where I'm buying and selling my stocks. That's pretty much it. And I'll just go to my account to buy and sell stocks. So it comes, Thinkorswim platform comes with a lot of useful tools, but you just have to find what is useful for you to do your swing trading without that hindering you, slowing you down. So you have to choose what is useful for you. That does not take too much of your time and prevent you to actually do your chart analysis and actually get things done. But yeah, and it's okay to look around to see what is useful there. You can do one at a time, one things that you find useful that you want to add to it, to see if to try it and see if it's useful for you and so forth. But as for me, I know there are things that I could be using, but again, I'm swing trading without them, therefore I'm fine. As of today, March 13, 2026, let's analyze DGX using Thinkorswim platform maximum daily chart. So when we are looking at DGX, we like to buy at this valley line, but right now it seems to be climbing up and the price is close to the top of the mountain than it is to the valley. So therefore it is not a buy for us, and this support line seems to be the one that is climbing now, is supporting the mountain that is climbing, and it has been on this journey since 2014 24. We have the dates on the x-axis from the past to the present. This is 2024. It touched base with the valley line there, and we have the price on the y-axis from $0 up. So but we have not found it down yet, so we are just going to keep observing it. We can go to maximum monthly chart to have a better look. Yes, this support line is long, many years long, and it seems to be, I think it's a good one to wait on. And when we look at here, we have 2 years of growth here as well, so it could well be repeating that pattern here. I'm not entirely sure. I just don't want to buy at this support line and get shredded there when it decided to come down here. So now knowing when this pattern, this cycle is going to end, or the half of the cycle is going to end and it's going to decide to come down to finish that cycle, I prefer to wait on it, and I choose the valley line that I'm willing to buy at and just wait. So thank you so much for your time. It is not, I won't be buying this just yet. Okay, we thank you very much for your time. Thank you for all your comments. And we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, producer of Liberman Consulting, L.L.C YouTube channel, and ninaserve.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on your job to provide for your need. It does not mean quitting your job. It just means that when it comes to your need, you have a backup plan. So thank you so much. And swing trading is one way to, generate another stream of income. For more swing trading videos in this series, will please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step using Long Uptrend in the description of this video. And we do have other swing trading related playlists in the description of this video as well. Thank you for your time. Happy swing trading.